Are you looking for the best wood filler? Here we will break down the top 6 wood fillers on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Elmer Z887Q Stainable Wood Filler. This is a small 3.25 ounce tube, but can be purchased as a 2-pack, 3-packs, or 18 packs, depending on the amount of wood filling you have to do. This particular filler is made from actual wood fibers that give it a natural wood texture when cured. This is an excellent product for those looking for a wood filler for staining, as it can indeed be stained quite easily. However, it can be tricky to get the exact stain of your material. It can comfortably be used both indoors and outdoors, and since it dries in a very solid state, you can sandpaper over with a power tool later on. Since it is sold in small 3.25 ounce tubes, we recommend it only for those who have a small amount of wood filling to perform. If you have to renovate a big piece of furniture with big and deep holes, this product is the best sustainable wood filler out there. At number 2. Weld 8257 Kwikwood Wood Repair Epoxy Putty. This wood epoxy filler has a very quick cure time of only 20 minutes, with zero chance of shrinking over time. This is a general-purpose epoxy putty, and can be used on a wide range of filling applications from PVC to window frames. Due to the high density of this product, you'll feel it suits hardwood better than softwood. A typical application of this putty is filling and restoring rotted wood. Moreover, since it is a wood epoxy filler, it can be used both indoors and outdoors. There is no premixing to do with this product. Simply empty the content in a container, mix the putty, and apply. It will set under 20 minutes. Yes, that easy. At number 3. PC Products PC Woody Wood Repair Epoxy Paste. Coming as 2 separate cans of material for mixing together into a 2-part epoxy putty paste, the PC Products PC Woody Wood Repair Epoxy Paste is a durable and effective wood repair filler that is ideal for most situations, but is specifically designed to offer excellent performance for more challenging wood repair problems. This wood filler can be used either indoors or outdoors, and can survive exceptionally harsh environments thanks to its impressively wide service temperature range. It is resistant to cracking and shrinking, as well as fully resistant to sunlight and damage from fresh or salt water. It is also tough enough to provide effective protection and survivability against damage from insects, squirrels, woodpeckers, or other wood-damaging animals. At number 4. Minwax Wood Filler. The Minwax 21,600,000, a high-performance wood filler of epoxy make and composition. The strength of Minwax is known to even hold a large screw or a nail in its place, once the filler dries up too. The maximized strength of the filler makes it ideal for being used not just for indoor jobs, but also for outdoor jobs as well, because of not just its strength, but also for its highly water-resistant nature as well. Minwax wood fillers are available in a wide range of color schemes and shades to choose from. This essentially eliminates the need to paint over the wood filler when you are using it over something that requires painting. Very quick in its drying time, the wood filler works just like epoxy glue. At number 5. 3M Bondo Home Solutions Wood Filler. While it may have initially been designed specifically for rotted wood replacement, the 3M Bondo Home Solutions Wood Filler is actually a remarkably versatile all-purpose wood filler that offers great performance for filling gaps in any type of wood, both indoors and outdoors. This is a 2-part epoxy filler that comes as a filler emulsion and a cream hardener part and cures to a light tan color in only 15 minutes. This wood filler is easy to apply and highly malleable, offering a smooth and easy application that is ideal for beginners. It is also a very low viscosity filler, meaning that it is not ideal for the largest and widest of gaps, but penetrates deep into wooden surfaces, ensuring that it bonds strongly to the surface you are trying to fill. At number 6. Elmer Z855 3.25-inch Carpenter's Wood Filler. Elmer's indoor wood filler is an excellent choice for filling in gaps, repairing holes, dents, and scratches on wooden floorboards, sideboards, wallboards, molding, or painted surfaces. It dries fast and hard and resists shrinking and cracking, and firmly holds screws and anchors. Once it is applied, it can be sanded back with a high-speed sander to a nice, smooth finish. This filler is made from actual wood fibers that give it a natural wood texture when cured, and delivers a superior surface that is ready for staining and painting. After you have finished your project, the solvent-free water-based formula is very easy to clean up. If it dries up, just add some water.